Good morning. It's a bit dull and grey today. Not as cold right enough, but it's Saturday, 14th September 2024. It's 8:42 in the AM, and yeah, it's a dull grey sky. But we'll carry on. It's looking a bit cloudy today, but oh well. Don't matter. What matters is seeing what's going on here today. That's the main thing. That's it, topped up. So red pepper's next to it. I'll wander on. What's going on here, Dweezil? Bit of rivalry. You enjoy your breakfast. Dweezil. Diesel. So wait to see what the commotion was all about. Well, wander on. That's him being fed. What? It's not a bad morning at all. Not as cold as yesterday, but still cloudy, but it might break up. A wee bit of sunshine, maybe. You never know. It's still nice to go out and walk. All nice and quiet, which is good. Good morning. Mr. Snail. I think I'll call that a Saturday wrap. It's food time. What am I having this morning? A couple of pieces of peanut butter. That'll do for a wee change. Anyway, you take care, stay safe, cherish your loved ones. And that'll be me saying blah 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 blah. Out. Good morning. It is Sunday, 15th of September 2024. It's 8:39 in the AM. It's looking kinda cloudy. Okay, dark clouds down there. Birds are all chilling out. Aye. The weather might clear up, or it might turn wet. Doesn't matter. Let's see what's happening today on a Sunday. You never know. Let's go for a wander. See what's going on round here. I wonder if Dweezil appears today. Now I've topped up the bird food. Mr. Robin's already been at it. I gave him some blueberries. So I'll put some of these down for Mr. Dweezil. And some bird food too, of course. If he appears. Oh, it's a nice morning. As long as that rain keeps away, it helps. where Dweezil is today. Dweezil. Is that him in the reeds there? Here he is. Right, I'll put some food down and some blueberries. Well, he's off. Wait to do whatever he does. I feel a little spot of rain. And a surprise. Raining in Scotland. Breaking news. We've got the brolly. I think it'll just be a wee shower. He said, hopefully. Nice and quiet. Tranquil. Good morning. Mr. Slug taking his time. Well, I think we'll call that a Sunday wrap. It's food time. Going home today for some porridge. Big bowl of porridge. Lovely. Well, it looks like the weather might break up. Maybe. I think there's going to be showers on and off today, by the looks of it. But, don't matter. Anyway, you take care. Stay safe. Cherish your loved ones. That'd be me saying, out.